birds sitting in a tree. One flies away now, how many do you see? Three little birds chirping, tweet, tweet, tweet. Add one more bird, now the group's complete. Four is the number, let's shout hooray! We see four in so many ways. Four corners on a square, four legs on a chair. Count to four is everywhere. Four bright crayons in a box so neat. Four little shoes on two tiny feet. Four seasons in a year: winter, spring, summer, fall. Four sides on a kite that flies tall. Four is the number, let's shout hooray! We see four in so many ways. Four corners on a square, four legs on a chair. Count to four is everywhere. Four cookies on a plate, let's have a treat. Four wheels on a car rolling down the street. Four points on a compass, north, south, east, and west. Four little stars shining bright, they're the best. Four is the number, let's shout hooray! We see four in so many ways. Four corners on a square, four legs on a chair. Count to four is everywhere. Now you know the number four. It's fun to count, let's count some more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's find fours forevermore. Now you know the number 4. It's fun to count, let's count some more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's find fours forevermore.